Hello YouTube watchers and subscribers, this is my new vlogging camera. It's the Insta360 X5. Yeah guys, it's the X5 camera which I just received recently. I was going to do a review on it, but you know what? I said there's so many reviews of it, yeah? I'll be just swamped by many. Although, as I've always said, there are so many repeat reviews or travel vlogs, etc., that you think, well, why should I do it? But you must look at it in this way to a certain point. I'm doing it from my way. Yeah, it's me doing it. There could be 1,000 reviews of the same product or travel show, etc., but it's me. I'm an individual, so if you're watching it, it's me that's doing it. So in some respects, I've just been a bit lazy and I can't be bothered to review it, yeah? I've got it out the box and I've whipped it in the car, put it in the car, because I want to basically show how it works in a vlogging situation in a car. Yeah guys, I've got the Tyson car mount, suction car mount, aluminium, great product, very sturdy. And what I've done, I've suctioned it to my Tesla screen. Yeah guys, I've put it right in the corner so I can see most of my Tesla screen, so it's not causing me any problems. And I've still got touch sensitivity on the Tesla screen, so it's not inhibiting me one little bit. This road is so rough. I don't know why the council don't get it sorted out. It's so bumpy, as most roads are. Why have we in England, a modern country, got some, if not the worst roads in Europe, if not the bloody world as far as I'm concerned? And I'm thinking, why is it so bad in the UK? And we're supposed to be a modern country. You know, absolutely awful. Yeah guys, this is my new vlogging setup and I like it so much, yeah? This is why I like it so much. It's got this thing called InstaView, where it records a flat image with a 360 image. Yeah guys, really good. I've got the X3 as well, the Insta360 X3, which is a couple of generations ago, because the current one before the X5 was the X4 and I had the X3, and this one is a worthy upgrade to the X3. I tell you that guys, the X3 was good, but this one just trumps it big time. The sensors are bigger, the software is more enhanced for this camera, such as this new way of viewing, yeah, creating a flat image in 1080p though, not 4K, but 1080p is still good enough for like whatever, yeah, it's still good enough for YouTube anyway, yeah. And then the 360 image is in 5.7K. It's going to be not fully 5.7K because you're going to crop it down to get it in the 360 mode, yeah. So yep, great bit of kit I've got here. Insta360 X5. I've got a big event coming up. That's why I got this as well, because I've got an event that I've been graciously given a creator pass to. Yeah guys, I've got a creator pass to the ComicCon event at the London between the 23rd and 25th. So I want to get down there at least on the first day. I've done a few events and I've gone down there like the second or third day, and everyone else has chucked their stuff up and I ain't got nothing, yeah? And then obviously you kind of die a death there because everybody's seen it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get there the first day and bring you guys some footage from the ComicCon event at the London. Yeah, that's the 23rd of May. So keep your eyes out for hopefully the 24th of May, where I might not get a lot of sleep. I can knock something out. Yeah guys, so that's another reason why I got this camera, because I want to record the event in 360. Yeah guys, I want to be able to get as much footage as I can using a 360 camera which does that. Wow, you got to be careful around here guys. So many people, dodgy drivers, I'm telling you. There are a load of dodgy drivers in this era. You got to have eyes in your back of your head, or eyes from a 360 camera that views everything around you. Yeah guys, So I'm where I am supposed to be. So until the next video, I'll catch you guys later.